Hi, welcome to yet another series of reading and books. So, in the last episode, we spoke about books for toddlers, right? Uh, Today, we will move a bit ahead, and I have some books to share with you all. And before I share, let me repeat again that what I'm sharing is my son's personal are my son's personal favorites, okay? And this does not mean that your children should also be reading these books. This is just plain simple sharing. Sharing is caring, and I mean, if you have some better books, please share with me. I would love to know what you're reading, what your kids are reading, okay? So it's always good to know. I will have some more information about what is happening in the book world, right? So here are some books which I personally liked, and this is for the I'm sure most of you all might be aware of this author that I'm going to share with you all now. It is, ta-da, Julia Donaldson. So I have this, the Gruffalo, then I have the Gruffalo's Child, I have Room on the Broom, there's Paper Dolls, and there's the Snail and the Whale, and there were two more. I'm not able to find those. So yes, there's this Julia Donaldson. Then another personal favorite is Oliver Jeffers. This is How to Catch a Star, and he has written a couple of more, which are the author you should look out for. I think this is another wonderful and amazing illustrations. Okay, so yes, this is one such author, and this was my son's really favorite, Charlie and Lola. So yeah, this is that. Then there was this Harry and Dinosaurs, anything and everything to do with dinosaurs, and we love it. So yes, this was our favorite too. Yes, two more I have by Oliver Jeffers. This is The Day the Crayons Quit, okay, and The Day the Crayons Came Home. I think these two are like really sweet and cute books, and it's amazing. It's like the crayons perspective. I mean, what the crayons think. It's amazing illustrations, and the kids just love this. I think these two are superb, fantastic books. And there was this one, Opposites, I think it was a really funny little book with opposites, made into like a short story format, and they have all opposites there. So it's a nice book, nice thing for your collection. And then there was this Winnie Pooh, Christopher Robin, another good read, I think. Okay, this is a really good collection. Famous Children, okay? They have a lot of books from their collection. So there's Bach, Beethoven. They have Bach, Beethoven, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Mozart, Picasso, Schubert, Schumann, Tchaikovsky. I am just left with two right now with me, Schubert and Tchaikovsky. I had a couple of more. I didn't have the entire series, but it's a really good read for young readers, okay? So to understand. But this is when they are able to read, because you can see there are like proper sentences, and when they develop the love for reading, and they have actually started reading, that's the time you can introduce them to these kind of books. There's also one more here which I had found, The Two Bullies. This is another nice book, a story from Japan. So you can look out for this one. Yeah, I think so. That's about it. No, wait, I have some more. So I have some really good books in Marathi. I think every young child must have, if you are looking at Marathi language development, or if Marathi is your mother tongue, I think every child must have books. Is this? These are books by Ananta Bhave, and for those who know who I'm talking about, Ananta Bhave, he was a news reader on Doordarshan, and he writes some fantastic children books. And during my childhood, I mean, I personally had as a child his books, and my personal favorite song of his is दुरी तिरी चौवा पाच पाव सव्वा अग अग मुली तुझा फ्रॉक नवा नवा फ्रॉक नवा नवा पण डोक्यात उवा दुरी तिरी चौवा पाच पाव सव्वा अरे अरे पोरा तुझा शर्ट नवा नवा पण डोक्यात उवा. Such hilarious songs he has written, and really good poems. And here you will see खाली आणि वर. So मुळे गेली खाली झाडं आले वर. So झाड आले वर. So I think these books, his poems are really very simple to read, and if you want your children to start reading in their mother tongue, you should look out for literature which they can relate to, which is funny, which is simple to read and understand. So these books by Ananta Bhave are really simple to read and understand Marathi. Okay, so I think these are fantastic for early readers. If you are looking at language development, Marathi language development, just go get a, I don't know where you will find it. I think Ideal Book Depot has in Dadar, but if you are somewhere else, I don't know where you will find it. Go search on Amazon. The publishing house is Pune, from Pune, Nandini Publishing House. So please, and these books are really cheap. I mean, they are for just 30, 50, maximum 100 rupees. I mean, not even that. They're not even that. They are 30 rupees each, I think so. Yeah, let me check again. Yes, and such amazing poems he's written. I think Ananta Bhave is one phenomenal writer, and every child must have this in their collection. So go get it and just go for it. Yeah, another one my son loves is, though he himself tried to read, but it was not really successful, so my mom read it to him, and this was Faster Fede by the very old personal favorite Bhara Bhagwat. So amazing collection. If you are really looking at reading something very very Marathi and very traditional, and you want to go back to our roots, I think this is one collection. So yeah, I think that's about it. In the next video I will read for some, I'll not read, I will share some of my other books from our collection. Okay, why do I keep calling them my books? These are not my books, these are my son's books, and this is my son's collection, and he has actually made a lot of effort in finding the titles and getting the books. I've been just the mediator, to many just guide. So just be the guide, and they know what they want, they know what they like, and they know how to get things done. Trust me, but trust your child, so just don't trust me, trust your child. Yeah, that's better. So go for it. Till then, bye bye, tata, hakuna matata. Next video I will try to make on a little bit of more advanced readers. Yeah, okay, bye.